French lovers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ready for another quiz? Let's go. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Je vais à festival. Number 2. Je vais au festival. And number 3. Je vais aller au festival. Some seconds to think about the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is number 2. But why? This is the topic of our class today. Subscribe and stay with me. In French, aggrave whenever is followed by masculine singular noun like le festival, lo changes to o. So you have to say je suis au festival, the answer of the quiz. And for feminine nouns, we keep la and before that we use aggrave. So you need to say je suis à la fête. Je vais à la gare. And the next case, whenever the noun starts with ashmue or a vowel. In this case, again there is no change. We keep l'apostrophe and before that aggrave. For example, je vais à l'hôpital. Je suis à l'université. And the last case, plural nouns. No matter they are feminine or masculine. For both of them, le changes to o. So you have to say, je suis aux arrivées de la gare. Voila. Now it's your turn. In the comment, tell me where you are.